So I may be hanging out in LA this week, but I always got to get in somewhat of a workout. So today I'm going to do a quick upper body workout just to keep all this stuff toned up. So let's get it. Patch is used by many top athletes to help them build endurance, build muscle, and have faster recovery after workouts. Right after this clip, you will see some of the top athletes that have on the stem cell activation patch while they are performing. So not only does the stem cell activation patch help you reverse aging, not only does it help you decrease wrinkles, not only does it give you more endurance and more energy, but it also helps you to lose weight. Check out these top athletes who love the stem cell activation patch, because you will too once you give it a try. Peace out.